Induction cooktops now offer a wide range of models, from single burners to multi-zone units, with various cooking features. In this video, you will learn all about the best induction cooktops for 2025, including their best features and a few problems. Gaggenau is like the more famous Thermador Freedom induction cooktop, but has more functionality in choosing burner size. You can place the pots and pans anywhere on the Gaggenau CX492611 400 series induction cooktop. It automatically detects the size and position of your cookware and adjusts the burner zone. You can fit as many as 6 pots and pans to cook simultaneously, as the entire surface is one large cooking zone. If you're using larger cookware, the Gaggenau cooktop can reach a maximum output of up to 5,500 watts. The TFT touch display on this cooktop makes it easy to adjust cooking zones, heat levels, and other settings. Additionally, the booster function helps you quickly boil a pot of water. The timer function allows you to manage cooking times and automatically switch off the heat when the set time has elapsed. Gaggenau features residual heat indicators, automatic shutoff in case of overheating or prolonged use, and a child lock function to prevent accidental changes to settings. We didn't have a single service call for Gaggenau cooktop in 2024. Bosch, Gaggenau, and Thermador are all part of the BSH Corporation. Bosch is like many cooktops on this list, with a central power burner in the middle and expandable burners on either side. The burner in the middle is good for larger pots, and you can place odd-shaped pans like a griddle on either side. With 17 power and 5 frying levels, Bosch cooktops offer precise control over the cooking temperature. The Direct Select 2.0 interface and Flex induction technology make it easy to adjust the heat for any type of cooking. Plus, with the Bosch Benchmark induction cooktop, you can control your matching hood directly from the cooktop or program it via a smart device to automatically activate the fan and lighting when the cooktop is turned on. The Wolf induction cooktop features 5 burners, including 4 8-inch burners and 1 11-inch. Each burner can deliver up to 3,700 watts of cooking power on the boost setting. Wolf's induction cooktops now feature LCD touchscreens and independent timers for each cooking zone, providing a seamless and sleek look that matches their wall ovens. Its dedicated settings for simmering and melting make it easy to cook at lower temperatures. Wolf's safety features include pan detection, a hot surface indicator, and a child lock function. You can buy this cooktop with a full beveled stainless steel trim to protect the glass surface. The cooktop can also be mounted flush with the counter, but you will need a qualified installer. Wolf's cooktop has a full 2-year parts and labor warranty, 3 years with Yale installation. Keep in mind this unit will require a 50-amp electrical connection. In a sea of stainless steel appliances, Paykel stands out with some unique styling. Along with style, you have 2 powerful 5,500 watt burners on this cooktop when you opt for the boost function. Paykel has 2 of the fastest burners on the list. The 2 5,500 watt burners provide the ability to run 2 to 3 cooking zones at maximum power without heat loss from other burners, as long as they are not positioned directly behind one another. The cooktop also features 2 sets of bridge burners on the right side and a large dual ring burner on the left side. What's impressive about the SKS is that they produce most of their components in-house. By producing motors and other major parts, the parent company LG has become the second most reliable appliance brand sold at Yale. The cooktop is powerful and flexible with an 11-inch, 7,000 watt burner on boost, plus 3,700 watt burners, and a bridging on both sides of the cooktop. SKS has Wi-Fi to check the burners and sync to an SKS hood through their reliable ThinQ app. Lastly, SKS has a full 3-year warranty. Service availability has been a problem for LG. Café's gourmet guided cooking system combines video-guided recipes from chefs with automatic adjustments for time and temperature. On top of Café's guided cooking system, this induction cooktop features a precise control mode. This mode keeps a set temperature with 1 degree for temperature-sensitive cooking methods. Plus, Café's touch controls make it easy to adjust the heat with just 1 swipe. The control lock capability prevents unintended burner activation. In addition to this safety feature, you can connect the cooktop to Wi-Fi for even more control. Café Appliances induction cooktops come with a mail-in rebate for a Heston Q pan, which can be easily paired with their app. For those that enjoy sous vide cooking, a temperature probe is also available. Which should you choose? Ultimately, be sure to carefully weigh the features that matter most to you against the availability of local repair services. So which brand would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn about the best wall oven brands to go with your induction cooktop, click this video, and thanks for watching.